was the first order? Oh my goodness. First order, 9.7 miles. So we had basically a 19-mile round trip on the first order. Then the second order, we got lucky and it was just 3 miles. So no round trip miles on that one. So we already at 22 miles.
Wait a minute.
22 miles in the first 2 orders. Then you get to order number 3, which was actually a stack, 3 and 4, and you had 15.9, basically 16 miles. So we were sitting at, 22 miles, and then you add 16, that's a round trip. No, 16 miles, but then it's round trip, so it's actually 32 miles because I had to drive all the way back to where I'm at right now. So 32 plus 22, you talking about 54 miles already. I done drove 54 miles on this dash. That's horrible. That's horrible. 54 miles? And then I got another 10 miles to go. Basically another 20 miles. I'm gonna be then drove 74 miles total on these 5 orders. That's ridiculous. 75 miles. I'm not happy about that. Let's head up here, get this order, and this is it right here because I feel my blood pressure rising. I'm getting more and more pissed off the more I think about it because that's ways too many miles. I ain't even finna be at 70 bucks. And even if I was, that still will only be 1-to-1 miles to money ratio. This is why it's important that you focus on miles to money ratio when they're showing you payouts on orders, because without me seeing the payout, it's taking some of the stress off of my brain. But me being a mathematician, I'm doing the calculations and I'm like, look, I'm already at 50 miles basically. And I see it right here as far as my gas tank is concerned, because I started with a full tank and I'm definitely down to 250 miles remaining until E. And that would mean that I've drove about 50 miles already. So keep in mind the miles you drive, and yeah, you don't got to worry about the payout. But when you got one zone like myself, you're going to be having round trip miles on basically all long distance deliveries that you do, because you're not going to be getting the order when you get out there. This is going to be my last order for this ship. I hope you guys been enjoying this, and hopefully it's been giving you something to vibe with and ride along with while you out there doing your DoorDash. Maybe you doing earn by time or earn by offer, but this is going to be the last one. Let me know in the comments though, how much do you think the tip going to be on this last order? Now, I've been getting blessed today. I only got 2, was that, wait, 1 or 2? Let me see, I got to check now. Because that Petco order was so great. I got a no tip order from, yeah, that was the flour. The flour order was a no tip order. And that was it. Only the flour order. That was the only no tip order. So we actually doing good in regards to that. Hopefully it's at least some kind of tip on here. Look, the DoorDash tipping guy's been nice to me today. Let's just keep that going so we can end out this shift nicely and I can be ready to do this again. I actually thought I was gonna be able to get 10 orders done today. I really did. I started at 10:30 and it's gonna be 2 o'clock when I get done with this. That's, what? 3.5, that's almost 4 hours. That's 3.5 hours and I'm only gonna be at 5 orders. That's pretty bad. And that's all because of round trip miles, guys. So keep that in mind.